Piped natural gas is one of the safest and most efficient fuels available today. With the right precautions and awareness, it ensures clean energy with complete peace of mind. Here are essential safety tips every PNG user should follow. Always install ISI certified stoves and burners. Keep your kitchen well ventilated at all times. Every PNG connection includes two key safety valves: the appliance valve located near your stove, the isolation valve placed outside the premises. If you smell or suspect a leak, turn off both valves and ventilate the space. Contact MeghaGas emergency helpline immediately. Make sure everyone at home knows how to identify a leak, operate the valves, and respond calmly. Periodic checks by MeghaGas technicians ensure your connection remains safe and efficient. Avoid storing flammable items near your gas pipeline or stove. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy the benefits of PNG with confidence and care.